talking about the limit of a function as x approaches infinity. So the first thing you need to know, if the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator are equal, your answer is going to be the coefficient of the numerator, the highest degree, and the coefficient of the highest degree of the denominator. In this case, that will be 1 over 1, which equals to 1. How do we go about proving this? Step 1, divide by the numerator's highest degree. That will be x squared. So divide the numerator by x squared and the denominator by x squared. And then the next step will be to separate and simplify. We separate all the fractions, where we end up with x squared over x squared, which is 1, minus x squared over 6x over x squared, which is 6 over x, and 8 over x squared, which is 8 over x squared. And then on the denominator, we have x squared over x squared, which is 1, minus 5 over x squared. Now, the next step will be to plug in infinity. So it'll be 1 minus 6 over infinity plus 8 over infinity squared, which is still infinity, over 1 minus 5 over infinity squared, which is infinity. Step 4 will be to simplify, but remember, when you're dividing by the infinity, any number divided by infinity will equal to 0, different than infinity, of course. So it'll be 1 minus 0 plus 0 over 1 minus 0. That will be 1. And then the second case will be if the denominator is less than the degree of the denominator. So you'll have, in this case, x cubed over x to the 4th, where if the numerator is less than the denominator, the degree, it will be equal to 0. How do we go about proving this? Same steps. First, we divide by the degree of the denominator, which is x to the x exponent 4. So it'll be x to the cube minus 5x plus 6 over x to the 4th. We did the same thing with the denominator. Then we separate and simplify, which is x cubed over x exponent 4 minus 5x over x exponent 4 plus 6x over exponent 4, which gives us this part of the equation. And then the next step will be to just plug infinity. So infinity, 1 over infinity minus 5 over infinity cubed, which is infinity, plus 6 over infinity to the 4th, which is still infinity. So dividing it will be 0 minus 0 plus 0 over 1 minus 0 plus 0, which gives us 0. And the last case is if the numerator is greater than the denominator, which is equal to infinity. It's the same steps. Just go ahead and fill it in yourself and try to see if you can get infinity. Thank you very much.